Hi everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you who logged into your Facebook account, and also you can sign out the device. If you see it helpful, like, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Tap Facebook. At the bottom left, tap menu. Then tap the jar icon. Tap account center. Tap password and security. Where you are logged in. Select your account. All these devices are logged into my account. For example, I want to remove iPhone 8. Tap iPhone 8 and log out. Log out. You get a code. Just insert this code. Copy. Come back to your Facebook account. Insert the code. Yes. Now I signed out the device iPhone 8. That's all. Have a nice time.